I'm AJ Simmons, President of Fluent Business Solutions. I am a QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor and have over 20 years experience using QuickBooks and other Intuit products. My knowledge and expertise is being brought to you today to hopefully help you navigate QuickBooks and use it for the best possible outcomes in your business.
A few things that help me in QuickBooks to be effective is to use the keyboard rather than the mouse. One of the ways that I do that, as we learned in a previous video, is to use the Alt button and the underline letters. In addition to that, once I do get into the screen I'm looking for, you can use the drop-down list for lists like vendors by hitting the Alt button and the down arrow rather than going to your mouse. So again, Alt button and the little down arrow on your keyboard. You then can start typing the name of the company that you want, and QuickBooks will find that company or the closest match that it has. The next thing that I do is I use the tab button. The tab will move me from field to field without having to pick up the mouse and place it within the next field. And the final, but I find really effective thing is I never have to remember today's date because the letter T on your keyboard in QuickBooks makes it today's date. Now you're wondering why this says 12/15/2021, and that is because this is a sample file, and today's date is set to 12/15/2021. So yes, this tip does work, but the date within QuickBooks has been changed since this is a sample company. One more I'm going to add as a bonus on the end here is the plus sign. Adds 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, depending how many times you push it, and the minus sign just scrolls you back in time. So now you can see that we're at 12/11/21, and to prove my prior point, the T button takes me to today, 12/15/2021.
I hope this video was helpful. We are here to continually help you grow with your experience with QuickBooks. Visit our website, www.fluentbiz.com, with additional tutorials and our email address if you would like to contact us directly.